Have you ever seen YouTube ads or videos screaming, earn 3% monthly from the stock market or become a pro trader and make lakhs every month? Sounds tempting, right? But let's pause for a second. If making money through trading was that easy, wouldn't we all be millionaires by now? Wouldn't every trader in Tamil Nadu be living in a luxury villa? Today, let's break down the real difference between traders and investors and answer the $1,000,000 question: who actually builds more wealth? Hi, welcome to holisticinvestment.in. We help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Imagine this: you invest 5 lakhs in trading and try to generate 5% returns every month. Sounds like a great plan, but here's what actually happens. One month you make a profit, the next you lose some. Over time, trading fees, taxes, and market volatility start eating into your capital. Before you know it, instead of growing your wealth, you're struggling to break even. Now ask yourself, how many successful traders do you personally know? And how many investors have you heard of who have built massive wealth by holding on to quality stocks for decades? See the difference? Albert Einstein once said, compound interest is the eighth wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it, he who doesn't pays it. Let's prove that with a simple example. Suppose your ancestors had just 1 rupees and invested it at a steady 6% return per year. After 500 years, guess how much it would be worth today? Not 10 rupees, not 1000 rupees. It would be worth 2,10,841,000 crores. That's the power of compounding. Even a small difference in return rate can create a massive wealth gap over time. Now let's compare a trader and an investor side by side. A trader looks at daily market movements, chases small profits, and gets stressed over short-term fluctuation. On the other hand, an investor makes a well-researched decision, holds on to quality stocks, and lets time do the heavy lifting. Want proof? Look at Warren Buffett. Look at Rakesh Jhunjhunwala. These legends don't trade stocks every day. They invested smartly and allowed compounding to multiply their wealth. Let's say you buy a house. Do you check its price every day? No, you hold on to it for years expecting its value to rise. But when it comes to stocks, people panic at every minor dip. They see a 10% gain and sell immediately. What if they had just held on for 10 or 20 years instead? That's when true wealth is built. According to SEBI, 90% of traders fail to make consistent profits. Yes, some traders do succeed, but they are the exception, not the rule. Meanwhile, long-term investors see steady, sustainable growth. So, would you rather bet your hard-earned money on short-term luck or long-term wealth creation? If you truly want to build wealth, the answer is simple. Investing beats trading. The key is patience, discipline, and the magic of compound interest. So, are you ready to move from chasing quick profits to building lasting financial freedom? If yes, start investing today and watch your money grow over time. Because in the end, the real question is, do you want to make a few quick bucks or do you want to create generational wealth? Let me know in the comments below. Are you a trader or an investor? And if you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you need professional investment and financial guidance, then don't forget to click on the link in a description to register for a free consultation with one of our certified financial planners. See you in the next video with more interesting financial insights for you. Thank you for watching.